A corkscrew is used for uncorking a wine bottle, and here's how you do it. First, you take out the foil cutter, which is like a tiny knife. There's an upper lip and a lower lip. We tend to cut at the lower lip. The way to cut this is to just give it 2 very sharp cuts on either side, and then you go at a C-section to rip the foil off. Tuck the foil cutter in and pull out the screw. Take the center of the cork and push the screw through, twisting all the way in and applying a little bit of pressure while you do that, and go right to the end till the screw is fully into the cork. Next, you're going to use the lever. The lever comes with 2 hinges. You're going to first rest the first lever at the edge of the lip and simply start to pull the cork out. It'll come halfway out. So you go to the second lever, which is here, rest the second lever at the edge of the lip, and this time the entire cork will smoothly glide out. Well, now you know how to use the corkscrew to uncork your bottle of wine. Go on and share this video with all your wine-loving buddies. Cheers.